Alright folks, TV number 7's a Magnavox TV with a VCR built in it, and then I got a Sharp radio in front of that ski. It's a little bit busted up, so we're going to smash it up the rest of the way. Should get a few speakers and some camper out of that. Check her out. Oh, she's done folks, she is freaking done. Now we're on to this Magnavox TV with VCR built in her. Oh, she's done too. Done too folks. Keep it flip it over. Bottom, knock that bottom piece out. Pretty much be able to see what we're getting. Knock that VCR up for you. Yep, pretty much smashed up. There's a piece of aluminum in there. We got a few speakers here. Unclean copper wire. Should be an electric motor right there. For your radio. More unclean wire. Gonna have some copper in my TV yoke like usual. Unclean wire. Piece of aluminum. My VCR is gonna have a little piece of aluminum right there. Probably another electric motor on the bottom somewhere to run the beast. Yep, right there's an electric motor. Gonna have a few pieces of metal, a little bit of glass out of that. Got a little bit of stuff out of that. Yep, I'm gonna keep on scrapping on. TV7's done. Oh yeah.